National HIV Testing Week occurs in November each year, the last week of November to be precise. At a conference on HIV and AIDS before this year's event, we kindly asked one of the participant organizations for a demonstration of the HIV test. The conference took place at the High Cross United Reformed Church in Tottenham. It was organized by HIV Prevention England in partnership with the Rain Trust, NAS Project London or NPL, Embrace UK, Positive East, Widows and Orphans International, the Metro Centre and the Africa Advocacy Foundation. Earlier on, we spoke to Mesfin Ali of Embrace UK, who explained the objectives of the conference.
The conference is about National HIV Testing Week, engaging faith leaders, faith communities, so that the faith leaders can cascade the message to their congregation members.
Testing for HIV, the human immunodeficiency virus, can seem a complicated and daunting task. But according to Rebecca Biekwaso and Beatrice Nabulia of Positive East, the test is the epitome of simplicity itself.
Hello, my name is Beatrice. And I'm Rebecca. We're from the prevention team at Positive East. What we're going to do today for you is to demonstrate how fast and quick the HIV test is. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3.
HIV antibody test kit, and that is what tests the antibodies to the virus HIV. Opening it, and I'll show you the contents of it. As you can see, the kit consists of 3 solutions. Number 1 is the one that has the chemicals that are sensitive to the antibodies to HIV, and these 2 just help me tell the results. 1 blue dot is negative, and 2 blue dots is positive or reactive. I can get my colleague's finger, but I have to wear gloves first.
If I can ask, what do you mean by reactive?
Reactive means positive.
It means it indicates the presence of the HIV virus in the blood. Okay. And that means that the person needs to go for a full blood test in the hospital.
What we normally do, I'm not going to draw blood, but I'll take a finger prick. I'll pierce that into my colleague's finger, and that will draw blood. That I'll use this pipette in which the blood will be filled. The amount of blood has to come up to that level where the marking is, and that is what I'll mix in the solution number 1. Because as you remember, we said it is the one that has the chemicals that are sensitive to the antibodies. When that solution is mixed, I'll pour that in the bowl. That will go down, and then I'll add the second. And the third, finally, liquid, to verify the results. We said the first one dot, the single dot, is negative, non-reactive. If it is 2 dots, it's reactive. So it is just this simple. The results come up in 3 minutes.
The dots will appear on the...
The dot will appear inside this bowl.
Right.
In the colors that I've said, blue, and in a white background.
So
okay,
blue...
1 dot, negative. 2 blue dots, reactive.
And reactive means positive?
Reactive, we have to there is the presence of HIV. We prefer not to use the word positive until a confirmatory test happens in the hospital. But reactive would most likely indicate positive.
So it's a simple test then. It's a bit like the diabetes test, isn't it?
It is.
Blood sugar test.
It is.
So people shouldn't be scared or anything?
No. And this comes back up in a space of 2-3 minutes. So it is very fast and very simple.
So you recommend everyone to go and do one?
Most definitely.
Okay, thank you very much, Rebecca and Beatrice.
Thank you.